Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. Can you use an Apple TV on a Roku TV? Wondering if you can use Apple TV on your Roku TV? The answer is yes, and here's how. In this video, we'll show you how to access Apple TV through the Roku interface or by connecting an Apple TV device. Learn how to set it up, sign in, and stream your favorite Apple originals in minutes. 1. Clarify Apple TV app versus hardware for Roku TV users. Start by distinguishing. Apple TV often means the streaming service app for Apple TV Plus content or the physical Apple TV 4K box. On Roku TV, the app integrates natively via the Roku Channel Store, letting you stream without extra gear. The hardware, however, connects as an external HDMI device, bypassing Roku's OS for a dedicated Apple experience. Both work on Roku TVs, e.g., TCL or Hisense models, but the app suits casual viewers, while the box excels for AirPlay and HomeKit integration. Check your needs. If it's just Apple TV Plus, $9.99 per month, stick to the app. For full tvOS features, go hardware. 2. Verify compatibility. Ensure your Roku TV supports it. Not all Roku TVs play nice with every feature. Older models, pre-2019, may lack app support due to limited RAM. Navigate to Settings, System, About on your Roku remote to note your model, e.g., 4100X for Roku Express. Roku's official list confirms compatibility for the Apple TV app on devices like Roku Ultra, Streaming Stick 4K, and most Roku TVs from 2019 onward. For hardware, any Roku TV with HDMI ports works universally. Pro tip: update your TV's software via Settings, System Update for optimal performance. Incompatible? Upgrade to a 2024 Roku Ultra for Wi-Fi 6 and seamless 4K HDR. 3. Option A. Install the Apple TV app, quick and wireless setup. For app-only access, press Home on your Roku remote, scroll to Streaming Channels, and select Search Channels. Type Apple TV to find it, free download. Highlight and select Add Channel. It installs in seconds and appears on your home screen. This gives full Apple TV Plus library access, iTunes purchases, and rentals. No HDMI needed, it's all over Wi-Fi. Customize by pinning it as a favorite. Highlight the app, press asterisk, and choose Move Channel. Works on nearly all modern Roku TVs, turning your setup into a hybrid streamer. 4. Sign in and subscribe. Unlock content seamlessly. Launch the Apple TV app and select Sign in. Use your Apple ID. Create one at appleid.apple.com if needed. Scan a QR code with your iPhone for easy entry, or type manually. Link your Apple TV Plus subscription, $9.99 per month, 7-day free trial, or add channels like MLS Season Pass. Sync your iTunes library automatically for cross-device viewing. Roku handles billing if subscribed via the Channel Store, but manage via Apple for flexibility. This step personalizes recommendations, pulling in Watch Now cues from your iPhone. 5. Option B. Connect Apple TV hardware, HDMI for premium performance for the full Apple TV 4K box. $129 plus. Grab an HDMI cable, ARC enabled for soundbars, and plug into an available Roku TV port. Most have 3/4. Power on the Apple TV. It auto-detects and prompts setup on screen. Use the Apple TV remote, Siri enabled, or iPhone app for pairing. Roku TV switches inputs automatically if set to last input in Settings, System, Power, Auto Input. This bypasses Roku's interface for faster navigation, Dolby Vision, and gaming via Apple Arcade. Bonus: Control TV volume via the Apple remote. 6. Enhance with AirPlay and multi-device sync, wireless magic. Select Roku TVs, 2020 Plus. Support AirPlay 2. Swipe down on your iPhone control center, tap screen mirroring, and choose your Roku TV. Stream videos, photos, or mirror your screen directly. HomeKit integration lets you control smart lights via Apple TV. For hardware setups, AirPlay shines brighter with the box as a hub. Sync playlists across devices. Start a show on iPad, resume on Roku. Note: older models skip AirPlay. Check Roku's site. This bridges ecosystems effortlessly. 7. Troubleshoot and optimize smooth sailing tips. Glitches? Restart via Settings, System, Power, Restart. If the app lags, common on low RAM models, clear cache or update. Hardware input issues? Label HDMI ports in Roku settings. For dual setups, App plus box. Use an HDMI switch, $20, to toggle without remotes. Enjoy 4K HDR on both, but Apple hardware edges out in bitrate for crisp visuals. Cancel subs via Roku or Apple app. Easy refunds on trials. Future-proof. Roku's 2025 updates promise better cross-platform support. In summary, yes, you can absolutely use Apple TV on a Roku TV, blending the best of both worlds for endless entertainment. Whether app simplicity or hardware power, these steps keep things plug and play. Dive in, grab some popcorn, and stream on. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.